how to change password of any mobile. So hello guys, in this critical video I will tell you how you guys can change your phone password. So it was very easy. For that I will simply go to mobile settings. So I would click on settings. Here you guys will see Wi-Fi mobile network, also on top search option. So for screen password I will simply click here. Here I will search for lock screen. Once you search for lock screen, you guys will see lost in someone. Also, screen lock, security and privacy. Simply click on screen lock. Once you click on that, you guys will see screen lock, face and fingerprint. So simply click on screen lock. You guys will see numeric, alphanumeric pattern. So it's up on you. If you want to give numeric password, simply click on here. Here you need to write your old password. After that, it will ask for new password. So simply give it. If you want to give alphanumeric password, you can give alphabet password or mix. Also in pattern, you guys can give pattern password. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.